I have this unfinished 18-inch diameter spruce pine edge glued board, and I get these from Lowe's. I'm going to start by painting it using some Wise Owl Anchor paint. And I'm just going to give that a nice, good, complete coverage. You want to go around the edges, and if you want to paint the back side, you can as well. Now, I got these whale paper cutouts from Dollar Tree in the kids section. Sometimes you can find these paper cutouts in different shapes. And I'm just going to arrange those going in different directions. And I'm going to concentrate on the bottom half of my board, leaving just a little bit of room at the top. Now, I did move them around a little bit, and once I had them placed where I wanted them, I'm just going to take a piece of Scotch tape and make like a double-sided sticky tape to just hold them down in place. I have some Wise Owl Snow Owl and a foam roller, and I'm going to roll on top of my board. Now, these paper whales are paper. It is a little thinner, so you have to move a little slowly because you don't want to bend any part of the paper. And we're using them kind of like a stencil. Now, as you roll, the paper is on the thinner side, so it is going to get a little wet and start to shrink a little bit. But I tried to just roll very slowly, and when I got to the tails, I was very gentle. And once those were covered, I kind of moved to the top of the board, and then you can just slowly go over it very lightly to kind of even out all of the paint. And once the board was fully covered with the Wise Owl Snow Owl, then I lifted up the whales. And when you're doing this, you just need a small amount of paint. That's why I roll onto the roller and then roll onto a second paper plate just to get some excess paint off. And then I lifted them, and I was really happy with how this came out. I have these laser cut small letters, and I get these from Hobby Lobby. I believe they are the typewriter style. And I'm going to paint them using the Wise Owl Anchor as well. Now, you can paint these any color of your choice. And I have the word Whalecome. And I just gave them one good coat. And then I'm going to position them at the top of my board. I kind of wanted it a little rounded. And then I have this smaller wood circle panel that I'm just going to lay there to give me the rounded shape. Now I'm just dabbing a very small amount of wood Elmer's glue. This is really great wood glue. It'll definitely hold better than the hot glue. And I'm going to glue that on the top side here. And then I just added a jute hanger to the back. I have a handheld staple gun, and I stapled that in place. And there we go. Now we have this very easy Whalecome board. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.